Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information that I've got for you this week. First of all, we have a Seven of Cups and we also have the Hierophant. I've got an angel answer card, which is listen to your intuition. And something else they wanted to add to that particular message is also to listen to your own heart. Isn't that nice? So let's have a look. Now, for some of you, with the Seven of Cups, it will just mean that this week you'll be focusing on your goals. You'll be focusing on your objectives, your dreams, working towards those. Now, sometimes this can mean that you're quite busy and you've just got a lot of priorities coming in, and it's, you're thinking what one to work on next or what one to work on first. If you do get any of that feelings of overwhelm or confusion that can sometimes come along with the Seven of Cups, the best thing to do is, as we've got with these messages, listening to your own heart, listening to your own intuition. It's like coming back to you, what's important to you, your values, your priorities, your goals. And sometimes that can help you. What's going to benefit you and your life, maybe your family. And that can sometimes allow you to refocus and get some sort of priority going. But this can come along and it can make you feel a bit like, oh my gosh, I've got so much here. I just don't know where to start. I just don't know how to start. So my advice, definitely step back and listen to your own intuition and your own heart. The other thing is that it could just mean that you are very focused on your dreams and desires. That could be another reason for this card showing up, that you are in the groove, you are on it. You're like laser focus. Here I go. This is what I'm all about. Yes, and it could be a really good, wonderful energy. Now, the other card, the Hierophant, this sometimes shows up when we're searching for meaning. I get that meaning a lot for this card, and this is what I'm picking up for many of you. You're still searching for that meaning, and so that is why for some you are a little bit confused. You are a little bit overwhelmed with lots of sort of things like, oh my gosh, I could do this, I could do this, I could do this. What do I do? So you are trying to get that sense of meaning for the goals, the tasks, what you're doing, your life, the situations in your life. You're trying to make it in line with your heart and soul. That's what I feel for many of you. And this is absolutely critical with these two things, that you've absolutely got to be listening to your own gut, your own instinct, your own heart, your own soul, your own intuition, call it what you will. There's such a strong theme for this week about trusting yourself. Even over and above some of the people that are around you in your life. That's what I feel for some of you this week, where even though you might have people in your family, friends, loved ones, partners, and they have your best interest at heart, it's only you that can decide upon what's important, what you want to do, what you want to focus upon, what you want to achieve in your life, the purpose that you want to set out. So it's absolutely fine for them to share their ideas and their own thoughts with you. But I get the feeling that some of you are inadvertently going into the overwhelm and confusion because you're listening too much to other people. So search for that meaning, but that meaning comes from inside of you, your own heart, your own soul, your own intuition, your own instincts. This can mean also some sort of spiritual advice as well. So maybe you're getting some advice, some information, some inspiration from someone else or from another source, and maybe, just maybe, that triggers it for you to go inside, listen to what's in your heart and soul, so you can make the right choices. I think for some of you, you've got choices and decisions around these, your goals, your priorities, your dreams, your desires. Yeah, so something might inspire you, might trigger you, might be listening to someone. Can also connect to organized religion and ceremonies, so things like weddings, christenings, that sort of thing, where there's some sort of celebration about a birth or a naming or a joining together or a coming together. So that's nice, isn't it? But whatever that is, there's such a strong message, folks, to listen to your own inner wisdom, your own instincts on whatever is coming up for this week. I hope it's a good one, and thank you so much for watching.